blah blah Blabina.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 fingers on this hand and 5 fingers on this hand. So together I have 10. Together I have 10 fingers. How many fingers do you have? 10? You have 10 fingers too? Well, that's fantastic! My name is Blabina. What's your name? That's a great name. Paper. P A P E R. Paper. Look, we've got loads. Oops. Let's tidy up. We've got it. But what shall we make?
Blabina! Blabina!
Did you hear that? Listen.
Make me out of paper!
Where are you?
I'm here!
Where is he?
In front of you!
Where? Where?
Look down!
There you are. Who are you?
I am Ian the caterpillar.
It's nice to meet you, Ian the caterpillar.
It's nice to meet you too, Blabina. Can you make me out of your paper?
You want us to make you? Let's do it. Remember, always ask a grown-up to help you with the scissors. Blue. yellow. Green, pink, purple, One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one? Orange. CATERPILLAR. Caterpillar. Caterpillars are always very, very hungry. They eat and 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 eat. One day, caterpillar stops eating, hangs upside down from a twig or leaf, and spins itself a silky cocoon. Look at him go! Inside the cocoon, the caterpillar transforms its body, emerging as a butterfly. Wow! Are you also going to turn into a butterfly?
Yes, but not until tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay, well, do you want to stay here with me and maybe go for a walk?
I would love to.
Oh, that makes me so happy. Let's just say goodbye to our friends, okay?
Can I say?
What's that?
You know.
Oh, you want to say it? Okay, You go.
You are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything.
And for more videos, search my name, Blabina, on YouTube. Your grown-ups can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. Blah, blah, Blabina. Blah, blah, Blabina. Blah, 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 Blabina. Blabina.
Blah 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 blah.